Man, I hate Douglas Visconic's twin engine, because he and Thomas are better than me. What should I do? I know. I am going to shove him into my locker. Prepare to get shoved into my locker.
No 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 no.
Yay! I finally shoved Douglas into my locker. Yay! I finally shoved Douglas into my locker.
Devious Diesel. How dare you shove Douglas into your locker? That's it, we're telling Principal Eric.
Principal Eric, come here.
What is it, Edward and Toby?
You will not believe this. Devious Diesel just shoved Douglas into his locker.
He did what? Oh my god. I am going to have a serious talk with him. Thanks for letting me know, Edward and Toby. Devious Diesel, how dare you shove Douglas the Scottish twin engine into your locker? You know that is against the school rules. That's it. You are suspended for 10 weeks. Go home now.
What?
Oh my god. What happened here?
It's okay, Douglas. I suspended Devious Diesel from school for 10 weeks just for you. So, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
That's good. Now it's time for me to go back to my office.
Douglas. Are you okay?
Yes, Donald. I'm okay. I only got shoved by Devious Diesel.
Oh good. Anyways, let's go to the cafeteria. It's almost lunchtime.
Okay, Donald. Let's go and get our lunch together.
Devious Diesel. How dare you shove Douglas Visconic's twin engine into your locker and got suspended for 10 weeks? That's it. You are grounded for 15 weeks. Go to your shed right now. What?